All right, here's a typical floor. It's a very small floor, right? So a floated floor, kind of like what we're going to show you in class. This is just one type of floated floor, right? And this is a demonstration. But what we did here, again, this is another, right? We have some 2x4s. Now these would be, we would call these joists. Again, these are really small. This is a very small example floated floor. But let's say this gray bit it would be the concrete. These would be the floor joists, these two things here. Then on top of the floor joists, we put soundboard. This is stuff that you get at Home Depot, right? Really cheap, right? And it's just sort of a paperish, you can kind of see under there what it is. Everybody's probably seen that before, right? And this is our soft barrier, right? Our limp mass, if we want to call it that. And then this is just sheetrock, or I should call it drywall, right? This is drywall, and this is OSB. I would prefer using MDF because it's stiffer and it's heavier. But there you go, right? And so then your walls would go on top of this guy right here. Right? So there's an example of what would be a floated floor. Right? Soundboard, sheetrock, OSB or MDF would be preferable. Right? You'll see a lot of studios built this way. And they actually will put, like Arlen Studios is kind of the same, has the same kind of thing, but they put sand inside of here. Again, the sand is limp mass, and it gets rid of this resonant frequency that would be under here. Right? There you go, floated floor.